Good morning. Well, actually, it's afternoon. It's 12:20. Hey y'all, what's going on? I am on my way to meet one of my friends so we can hang out for the day. So today I'm gonna just be doing a little vlog or whatever. First, we going to the pet shelter to see if I can find a dog. My lips look a little crusty. To see if I can find a dog. Hopefully I get some luck because I saw a dog that I wanted, but I'm not sure how she looks in person, so I'm going to see today. After we might go get our nails done and some other stuff. So yeah, I'll be back when I meet her. Right, so I made it here at Pampered Pets in Paradise, and this is where the dog is going to be. Look, my friend, y'all.
Top, they love top, top. They want top, top. They love top, top. Now where you head, go
That's my shit, bitch.
Oh, thank
I
you.
got you. You got me something to drink?
I got you some water,
We're talking about you.
girl. Anyway,
Chopper style, chopper style. Girl.
you gonna say hey to the vlog or?
Hey. Hey.
It's your. All right, bet.
Oh, look. I thought
What?
it was that other animal clinic down there. I was
Oh.
about to say, oh, baby girl, they closed.
Right? That's why.
All the dogs there's abandoned.
Hello. Let me see.
And this look like a washateria for pets.
Shut up, son.
Oh, you gotta be the baby. Oh, this is fancy.
I guess.
Chopper style, chop. Got been bumpy. That's all 7 minutes.
Hi. Hello. I'm here to see about a dog. Oh, I didn't know this was open. I'm sorry. Hello. I'm here to see about a dog. Teensy.
Say again?
The dog Teensy.
Teensy?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm not sure which one is Teensy.
It was a Schnauzer mix.
Gotcha. Yeah. Hold on just a second.
That's it.
I'll be right with you.
I want to bring my dog here. This thing.
Why don't you come in and have a seat and I'll bring Teensy up?
Let's see
Okay.
How did you learn about Teensy?
On adoptapet.com.
Come on, have a seat and I'll bring her up.
Okay.
Big boy, little boy pick up. Come here. Baby boy, come on. Come on. You know. See, I'll be right back.
I'm sitting on that couch. Yo, I'm sitting on this. I don't know about this show. Ooh, that's a little stink.
Little boy, big boy, big boy, big boy, the boy. Girl, who is that?
Girl, who the hell is?
Represent. Girl. Something big.
Jesus.
We're going to name the dog Chop. Ooh. Let's go this way.
Might be a roach.
Ooh. Oh, you looking fine. You look fine, friend.
Thank you, friend. Thank you.
Oh, you cute.
Aw. You gonna get kind of big. Hi. It's a girl, right?
Yes.
Hey.
Still got a lot of growing to do, being a puppy.
And it's a schnauzer mixed with.
I don't know.
Oh, okay. Okay. How big do you think she'll get?
Oh, maybe 20 to 25 pounds.
Okay.
Are you looking for something smaller or?
Yeah, kind of small, but I don't know. You think that's about this height?
More or less, yeah.
Okay. Not bad. Okay. I just wanted to see her. I'll continue to look or whatever, but yeah.
Well, she's available, and we got others too. She got all her milk teeth, so still got quite a bit of growing to do.
Okay. Alrighty. Well, thank you.
Okay.
200, I think. 200.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yo, I ain't show the dog, cause listen, I ain't buying no dog from here. No ma'am.
Bitch.
No ma'am.
It look like it comes with ticks,
Fleas, everything.
roaches.
No ma'am. What we gonna get our toes done in? Huh? Yo, it was so funky up in there. I'm not fucking with that.
They got a little spot on Clippy I be fucking with. They like 20 or some shit.
Whatever. I just need my
Me
toes
too,
done.
bitch. So like I gotta put all on the back.
I'm weak. All right, I'm gonna follow you then. Yeah, y'all. So it's a no for me because the dog is cute. Don't get me wrong, but it looks so trifling in there. Like it's not even a real like pet shelter. It looked like he lived in there, and I'm like, no, ma'am, no. Hold on, y'all. Let me get out y'all, cause this little one drives like the dead out of hell, and I'm about to follow her. So all right. But yeah, y'all, I'm not fucking with that. Teensy cute, but Teensy mixed with something, and I'm looking for a purebred schnauzer. They do have schnauzer rescue and whatnot, but I don't think they have no young dogs. I'm looking for like a puppy or whatever. So I'm gonna keep looking. Unfortunately, maybe if she was living in better conditions, but baby, it stink in there, and they got dogs just jumping all on everything. It smell like shit in there, and it's a no. Like I can't be bothered. Legit can't be bothered. I didn't even show the little dog because I didn't want to. I don't have time. She's really cute though, but like I said, I'm gonna have to find something else because I can't get with that. Like, no. And it's like it's a pet bed and breakfast almost. Bitch, it look like they just no. I don't see how he could sit up in there while it smell like that. First of all, and they got shit piled up everywhere. No. That's not what we about to do. So yeah, I'll continue to look. So right now we're on our way to the nail shop. Sorry, y'all, I had to run the light real quick. But yeah, we're on the way to the nail shop. We're gonna get little pedicures or whatever. I really need to get something to eat. I'm trying out this intermittent fasting thing. So it's about time for me to eat now. It's 1:10. I usually eat around 2, but I'm hungry. So we'll see. I've also been trying out keto. Today gonna be my first day on keto, so I'll let y'all know how that goes as well. So I need to find something that's keto friendly on the way to this nail shop. So yeah, I'll get back with y'all when I find something to eat. Alright, I'm back. We're going to Dynasty Nails to get our little toes done because we're looking a little crusty. So hello.
Yeah, refill 2 pedicure.
How much is yours for nails? Yeah.
And a manicure. Oh, what I want? What you doing? I don't know. I've been with the pinks lately. Me too. That's what's on my tools right now. A light pink. Oh, that's cute. I don't know what I want.
This shit a lot lighter than mine.
I might want a yellow.
Oh, I hate yellow.
Why?
I don't know. I don't think yellow is
For you?
cute. Yeah,
I feel you.
my skin complexion.
Might get a little
Not the
teal.
one.
That's cute.
I fuck with this. I think I like this color.
I might get this little blue.
I mean, like that colors that be making my tool spot. Pretty.
I don't know.
Oh, that's pretty.
I think I'm gonna get this. I got a little hot. It was looking a little crusty.
Too hot?
Yeah. Y'all gotta tell y'all about this little wig. This is my trusted Dusty. Alright, y'all, I'm back, and I just want to show y'all it's a wonderful 102 degrees outside. She said sarcastically, but yeah, I got my nails done, my toes done, and my nails. I ain't getting no acrylic on that one because I don't really mess with acrylic like that. I barely want to get my actual nails done. So now I'm about to go to Zia's because I still ain't eat and it's 3 o'clock. So I'm about to head to Zia's. Probably just gonna get some chicken or something, nothing special. But it's hot as ass out here. So I'm about to get this food and go my ass home after this. My phone about to go dead though, so I'm about to see if I can find a charger and I'll come back later. Alright y'all, so I'm done eating. I didn't really film or whatever in there because like I said my phone was going dead, but I got my charger now. I had rotisserie chicken and just some broccoli. Nothing special because they didn't have no nutrition facts on the menu, so I couldn't figure out what had a lot of carbs and what it didn't. So I knew the chicken didn't have no carbs, so I just piled up on it, and I didn't even eat all the broccoli because I know broccoli got carbs as well. But to be honest, it really just wasn't that good. They had too much butter on it and they steamed it for too long, so I wasn't really fucking with it or whatever. But I'm on my way home now. I got some planning to do for school because as y'all may or may not know, I'm in a sorority and I'm going to be the president of that sorority next semester. So I have planning of events to do as well as planning for the National Pan-Hellenic Council, which is all the frats and sororities on campus, all the black frats and sororities on campus, should I say. And I'm probably going to run for president for that organization as well. So I have to make agendas for the next meeting, which I'm trying to have. I'm trying to do video conference call meetings since nobody lives in the same area. And it'll probably be hard for all of us to get together. So I need to make agendas for that as well as plan out the events for my sorority, which is Sigma Gamma Rho, if y'all don't know. Yeah, I have to plan out events so I can start filling out the paperwork to get those events in place. I have to talk to my advisor as well to get the date secured. So to be honest, the rest of my day probably about to be real boring. I might get a little workout in if it's not too hot in my backyard, so I'll film that as well. And when I get home, I gotta give y'all an update on this hair or whatever. So yeah, I'll do that when I get home. Okay, so I'm coming to give y'all a quick update on this hair. This is the Naked Natural Bohemian Curl. I've had this hair since December, so it's been almost 8 months
7 months, give or take. Yeah, this hair comes packaged, it comes straight, and you wash it to get a nice little curl or whatever. And it was only, I would say, about 80-90 bucks for all the bundles plus a closure. And I had a little piece of hair left over, but yeah, it came out pretty full or whatever. And I've been loving this wig. This is my trusty dusty. This is the wig I throw on whenever I need something quick to do with my hair, as y'all can see, because y'all know I have my starter locks or whatever, but they're looking real dusty. I'm in dire need of a retwist. So I threw on my trusty dusty to go to work, and hopefully next week or in the next few days I'll be getting a retwist. But yeah, this hair is amazing, y'all. Like, this is how it is after. This is, I wet it a few days ago, so maybe like 4 or 5 days ago. And I usually wet it when I first want to wear it, just to like lay everything down. But by the time it dries, it gets fluffy like this and whatnot. So it's really like full, you know. And I think it's human hair, but I think it might be a blend because it's not all, you know. But it's really nice. And it's not much that I really want to say besides this hair is bomb, and I think y'all should get it. I'll put a link in the description box below for, you know, an online link. I got this at my local beauty supply store, but I can put a link in the description box where y'all can get it online. I'm gonna wet this hair, so I want to show y'all what it looks like when it's wet. So I'll come back and show y'all. Alright, y'all, so I got my little spray bottle or whatever. This is just I can't remember the name, but it's some type of hair milk, and I'm just gonna wet it. Now, what I can say about this hair that I don't really like, I don't like the closure, because as y'all can see, it's not, you can barely tell that there's even a closure. There's not a lot of parting space, and it comes with some type of, like, I don't know, some type of covering on the bottom of it, and I took that off. But yeah, it's not a very good closure. But with curly hair, I don't think it really matters that much, you know. But as y'all can see, like, I just started spraying it, and it's starting to wave up and stuff again. And all I do is finger comb. I don't really, you know, comb it out with a brush or anything. Like, sometimes I do, but most of the times it's just, you know, I can get through it with my fingers. It's not really a big deal. And this is why I love this hair, because it's also all I have to do to get it to look like something again. Like I said, I've been having this hair for over 6 or 7 months, you know, and it's not that much shedding. Like, this is just because I'm using my hands and I'm being rough. Yeah, so it's really not that much shedding. I don't get too much shedding. To say how long I've been having the hair, is really not a lot that's different with it, you know, since I got it, to be honest. It's kind of weird that the hair comes straight though. And it's straight, but it's not like a good straight that you want to wear, you know, for a while. So it's just like, the first day I got it, I took it out the pack and I was like, I don't know about this, but like, as soon as I wet it and it waved up, I was like, okay, I can fuck with this, you know. It's kind of nice. So yeah, this is the hair, how it looks wet. You know, it's a little bit more wavy. So yeah, sometimes I wear it wet out. Sometimes I just like to let it air dry. I never blow dry this hair. I always let it air dry. And I had it as a middle part, but I kind of like it better as a side part. So yeah. Like I said, it was about $80, $80, $90. And I've had this wig since December, and it's still
still pushing through. Waves, curls still coming through. Now and then I might get a little scraggly ends, but as you can see, they still not that bad. So yeah, as you can see, I love this hair, and I recommend this hair to anyone who's looking for cheap curly hair. This is the bohemian curl, but they have curls that are like bigger, like tighter than this. They have kinky curly as well, and it gets way bushier. But this was my first time doing like wavy curly hair, so I just wanted to get something simple for my first time. But shit, it was like, I like this so much that I might not even, get the other one, because this one is still coming through. But I'm probably gonna go back and get the other hair eventually when this hair decides to fail me, which it might not. But yeah, so that's the end of my little review.
Thanks for watching, y'all. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment below what you want to see next, and don't forget to subscribe.